simple home recipes. Today I am going to prepare prawns recipe. It's a semi gravy recipe. Now I am going to show you how to prepare this recipe. It's a very easy recipe. I have kept one pot. I have added 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. You can use any oil which you prefer. Now oil is heated and I am going to add some mustard seeds. Now mustard seeds got crackled. I am going to add little bit of fenugreek seeds. To that I am going to add shallot, curry leaves, green chilies. Also I have taken big onions, medium size 2 number, chopped finely. Now I am going to saute it well. In order to saute quickly, I am going to add some salt, mix well and saute nicely. Onions have been sauteed well. See, now I am going to add ginger garlic paste. You can add crushed ginger garlic also. Saute well. Saute for 2 minutes. Now I am going to add tomatoes. I have taken 3 medium sized tomatoes. Now tomatoes are cooked well. Now I am going to add masalas. Little bit of turmeric powder, coriander powder, 2 to 3 teaspoons, and this is normal chili powder, spicy one, adding 2 teaspoons, and this is Kashmiri chili, I am adding 2 teaspoons. You can add more or less according to your taste. Now mix well. Salt a little bit. To this I am going to add little bit of pepper. Now I am adding little bit of hot water so that the masalas won't get burnt. Always add hot water. Saute well. Now check salt. Have to add more salt. Adding some more. Mix well. Salt and spices add according to your taste. Now I am going to add clean prawns. This I marinated with a little bit of salt, turmeric powder and little bit of pepper. I am going to add it. Mix well. going to add water now because sometimes it gives lots of water. Now I am going to add some more curry leaves. Mix well. If you want a little bit of watery, you can add some more water, but don't add too much water. Now I am going to cover it and cook for 5 minutes. Shall we check? It cooked for 2 minutes. See, so much water has come out. Let's check salt and sourness. I'm going to add some more tamarind paste or tamarind water to this. Don't add too much water and cook for another 3 minutes. It has been cooked for 5 minutes. See, oil has come out. It cooked well. Let's switch off the flame.